Hey you guys! I'm so excited to be here right now and to share with you guys a little gift that was given to me as a present, and I can't wait to unbox it. So, here it is, but it didn't really came in this box. It came in a smaller one, but I don't really care because I really needed to cover it. So, here it is. And I don't know if you guys could guess, and I don't know if you could guess like the color of it, but I'm really happy and so excited. So here it is. This is seriously a crazy find because I've been looking for this bag in this color, and I thought I'll never find it because I know it'll just be basic, and this is gonna be, yeah, like I said, this is a dupe as well, but I didn't know that I will find one in this color, and it's so crazy. So I did open it to check because my the one that gave this to me really wanted to check that it was actually good condition, it arrived good condition. So I did check it. So this is not like the proper unboxing, but I haven't worn it and it's been stuck in this box for me not to see it and not be tempted to try it for a long time. Well, not really a long time, just for like a week. Because this arrived a week ago and I wasn't able to make a video out of it yet because I was really busy. Plus, I really wanted to open this close to my birthday because this is a birthday gift to me. So I'm kind of excited. So here it is. Yes, yes. It is a Kelly inspired dupe with the perfect, beautiful baby blue color. So I think this is like the blue celeste kind of shade, and honestly the color is beautiful. It's in like this light gold hardware, and yeah, I have the straps inside, so it's actually here. So it is, yes, there is straps. I just thought that it's just like this. No. And here, when you open it, you have the straps. Oh, it came in the plastic where the straps are. So here are the straps. It's also in this beautiful color, and this is adjustable, which I am happy about it. The only thing that I don't like about the straps of these kind of bags and dupes is because you can't adjust the cover like this one, so that it's going to like flap out. But I don't care about that, right? It's an adjustable strap, so it's great. I'm happy with that. But the color, I mean, seriously, the color is insane. And I was thinking about it if I want it in a Birkin or in a Kelly, but then this showed up, and this bag, I will link the shop because I did ask my aunt to, what's this? Okay. It's one of my aunt. Well, technically she's a ninang. So, I asked her about the link because she just saw it, and yes, she's a Shopee holic as well. But I am so happy with it. So it has one pocket here as well, and that's it. There's no other pocket. There's no other zipper pocket. But I'm happy with it. It's super really nice. Honestly, I might put a comparison to this and my other Kelly dupes, but aside from that, it is beautiful. I was thinking of it as in a Birkin inspired dupe, but honestly, I was lucky enough to actually got this at this color, and that's why I wanted to recommend this because the price of it is only above 600 pesos. Like seriously. Although yeah, you have to wait for it, but honestly, because I saw it in the shop when my Ninang sent it to me, it's actually pre-order, but the color and it's going to be worth the wait. The color is so beautiful. That's why I wanted to recommend it in this, or the shop in this one, because it's affordable. It has this beautiful color if you like blue, and it has other colors as well. But I was so crazy to find this. But you can actually see in the shop, if you actually look at the shop, I might put a picture here, that the blue of this in the picture is different. But I'm so happy it arrived in this color or this shade, like it's different from what the picture was, because honestly it's so cute. Now the only thing difference to this is, although this is cheaper than my other bags that I got that are Kelly dupes, is because this top handle is actually not I wouldn't say flimsy, but it's thin. It's not like the thick one, the thick top handle, but I'm not so disappointed with that. And luckily, because of my shopping of some twillies, I found the perfect twilly that's going to match it. Although this is a pair, I might find if I have one that's just like single, but I don't care. I don't have yet a bag that's going to look good with this twilly, so it's going to be perfect. Oh, these are actually different twillies, so I'm lucky. So I'll put this one. This one has this beautiful blue color as well with the orange, so it's nice and dainty. I'm gonna put it. I'll just wrap it like this because it's just gonna be a simple wrap. See, it's so cute. It's super nice. Oh, I'm so happy with it. The color is beautiful with the twilly. It's so nice. I'm gonna put a twilly on it because it is a lighter color, so I might always use it as a top handle. I'm not yet sure, but I had to make sure that it's going to be safe and it's going to stay clean. It also has 4 feet at the bottom, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, I'm so excited with this new edition, and I hope you like it. I hope this helps. Maybe you guys want to get it, try it. Honestly, it's in good quality. The only thing is it arrived that I had to form the handle, but aside from that, it was really nice and super cute. And yeah, I like this new addition to my collection. Well, that's about it right now. I hope you like this. If you want, please comment down below if you want to share to me some links of some Shopee items that you want me to try. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!